Welcome to another episode of Chinese Man Cooking, where I teach you how to make delicious, cheap food super easy. Today we're going to cover how to make stir fry over rice. To how to make rice on the stovetop video, that's a different video. Today we're focusing on the stir fry. It's super easy. What ingredients do you need to make this? Just a bunch of vegetables and optionally a protein like a meat or tofu if you're vegetarian. Today we're going to use Brussels sprouts because they're healthy. We're going to use carrots because they're healthy. And we're going to use broccoli because they're healthy. And then for our protein, we have chicken. For flavoring, it's really simple. You can either go with salt to be super simple. You can use a bit of salt and soy sauce. Or you can use add chili peppers for flavoring as well. For example, just chili flakes. Or one of those Chinese spicy condiments that you see in a Chinese supermarket. You don't need a lot of it, just a little bit. But overall, it's mostly the meat and the vegetables that's giving it the flavor. So the reason why I like stir fry is just because it's so easy. What we're going to do today is we're going to put garlic and onion into the pot along with chicken. We're going to cook that until it's almost ready. And then, or to actually when it's ready. And then we're going to put in all the vegetables. And just close the cover, medium heat until everything's soft and all the juices are flowing. Add some salt and add some soy sauce, and then we're done. So here we've added some chopped garlic and chopped onions to the pot for flavoring and for health. This part's optional. You can just flavor it with salt and soy sauce if you like, but this just adds a little bit more of a complex flavor to it. So here we put the chicken on top of the onions and garlic, and we're just cooking it on high. So you just want to make sure the chicken is cooked thoroughly, and then after the chicken is ready, then we add in all the vegetables. And the chicken is done cooking, so I'm going to start adding the other ingredients. Note that this took a little bit longer to cook just because my chicken pieces are really big and cut into smaller pieces. It makes for an easier to eat stir fry, and also it'll cook a little bit easier. But I was being a little bit lazy, so I just put it all in. Took a little bit longer on lower heat so it doesn't burn. And now we'll add the veggies. Alright, the veggies are now in. And then just cook on low to medium heat while covered in order to preserve the moisture. And then cook it until it's soft and you're done. Add in some soy sauce for flavoring as well, but again, it's up to your own taste. Salt and soy sauce works. Alternative vegetables that you can add would be celery, mushrooms. Those are the main two, I guess, I would recommend. Broccoli doesn't really go as well. Carrots go well. Celery goes really well. Mushrooms go well as well. And there we have it, folks. Beautiful, beautiful chicken veggie stir fry. Now all I have to do is just put this over rice, and it's a perfect meal. Easily cooked, cheaply made, but delicious and healthy. Brought to you by Chinese Man. And there we have it, folks. Beautifully made chicken stir fry over rice. Hit subscribe and enjoy the meal. See you next time.